Welcome back and Happy New Year, you guys! So today, guys, now that it's already 2025 and I'm planning to do like, a new makeup look, which is the grunge makeup look. Because recently I've been attracted to like grunge makeup look, so I'm trying to do that. Because recently my favorite color is red. If you've seen my vlog recently, I actually mentioned that my favorite color recently is red. Because yeah, I'm really attracted to red recently. My type. We got London on the track. So I have my red top and red necklace, as you can see, and I have red nails. I have red toenails, but I'm not gonna show you my toes. The fuck? So now let's just get started doing my makeup because I'm really excited. Yeah! Oh my god! I forgot that I didn't even record. So first thing first, I used concealer. The Carla Secret Concealer, as always, because it's very nice. Because I really recommend this makeup actually. Maybe you can search this up on TikTok shop. Maybe they have that. I don't know, because I just stole this from my mom. So I used the shade over here. So I used this shade over here. Yes. Sorry, forgot to hit record, guys. Anyways, let's move on from the next concealer. I used two types of concealer. The Carla Secret Concealer and the Fit Me Concealer. Well, the Fit Me Concealer is actually, much more like... It's a little bit darker than the one that I used. And now I'm just gonna put it in my nose and here on the lid. And I'm gonna put it here also. And my brows. So yeah, we're just gonna blend this. I don't like putting my hair behind my ears because I have a really round face, so I don't want my face really like, yeah, I really wish that I don't have round face. That's the only wish that I wish. No, actually I forgot to shave my eyebrows. You can see I have like my eyebrows. I have to shave that, and I forgot to shave that. Well, I'm just gonna shave my eyebrows, you guys, and I'm gonna be back. Okay. Now I'm back, guys. So I already shaved my eyebrows. As you can see. So next is contour. I'm gonna do contour. So for contour, I'm gonna use my brand new face palette. Yes, it's from TikTok shop. Well, my mom bought this for me. It's her gift for me. So as you can see, this is so nice. I haven't used it yet. It's a face palette from iGood.co. I don't know if you can see it. Okay, it's iGood.co. The first page, we have the eyeshadows. Yes, as you can see, it still has, this one. So we have eyeshadow. We have 24 eyeshadow palette over here. Next, we have, we have highlighter. Oh my god, bro, we have 6 kinds of different colors of highlighter. Which is the third page. Is the blush. Oh my gosh, but we have the different kinds of blush, different kinds of colors of blush, different kinds of colors of, okay, whatever, it's just blush. Okay, the next page we have contour, pressed powder, and brow powder. Bro, that is so nice. We have pressed powder, we have contour, and brow powder. It's complete, it's complete. Yeah, we're gonna do contour now, so we have to go and shove it up. on our face because my face is so puffy and I don't like that. So for contour, I'm gonna use this. Okay, yeah, this darker shade over here. Turns out that the contour is lighter for me, so I'm gonna use the darker one. I think it's for brow powder, I guess, but I'm gonna use it as contour. Don't judge me. Okay, next we have to put fast powder. Okay, so now we're just gonna blend the powder. I forgot to put contour on my jawline, so now I'm gonna use this one also for like a powder on my face over here. Okay, so now we're gonna contour our nose. I'm gonna use this kind of brush, and then I'm gonna use this one as I used the contour earlier on my face, because yeah, I used that one because the other one is a little bit lighter, it's not dark, so this is how I contour my nose, guys. Wow. And I also put contour over here. So for highlight, I'm gonna use this or this one. Okay, I'm gonna try the silver one. Wow. Loose powder again by Ashley. So now we're gonna move on to my eyebrow. I want to make my eyebrows darker, so I'm gonna use the palette, Naked palette.
Huh?
I'm gonna use Naked palette, so I'm gonna use this dark over here. I'm gonna mix this to black. I'm gonna mix that to make my eyebrows darker. And I'm using this like tiny brush. Next we're gonna do is eyeshadow. I'm gonna use the contour palette from the Edgy from my new palette. I'm gonna use this one. So I'm gonna use this Naked palette, the brown shade and the black shade. This one, no, this one. Yeah, this one and this brown shade and this black shade over here. So I'm gonna use that to put it in the end corner of my arm. So I just mix it, I just mix the brown and the black. And then next, we're gonna put eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I'm gonna put it like around my eyes. So if I can focus, I'm gonna focus doing it muna, guys. I'm gonna go to the mirror and do my eyeliner properly. I did my eyeliner now, guys. And now I'm gonna do a gloss. So I'm gonna use the same. Next, I'm gonna put highlighter. Highlighter over here. Yes. To my eyelid over here, I'm gonna. So now we're gonna, proceed to blush. For the blush, it's not supposed to be our lip paint blush. So I'm gonna use this blush right over here. This is the best lighting that I could get, so this is how my makeup looks like. Okay, I forgot to try to do my eyelashes, so I'm just gonna curl my lashes. That's what I'm gonna do. I'm just gonna curl my lashes. And then some mascara. I'm just gonna do my lippies. So for my lippies, I use Lipton from Gorgeous Glow. And then I'm gonna put this Vaseline lip therapy rosy lips. Yeah, rosy lips. I'm gonna put that. So this is the end result of my grunge makeup, you guys. This is the final result, you guys, and I feel like the result of my makeup. If this had the best styling, I think I would appreciate my makeup more. So that's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed my makeup. I really don't know how to end like a proper ending. I really don't know how, but yeah, it is what it is. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you again next time. Goodbye.